This 2019 Jayco Feather Ultralight X17Z front and rear bed ends is an expandable trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 18 feet 4 inches in length and features sleep 7, microwave, skylight, refrigerator, external shower, oven, air conditioning, and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this expandable trailer features Mid Kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Jayco Feather Ultralight X17Z front and rear bed ends is 3,243 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.